Hi everyone, I'm Kira. Welcome back. Today I'm sharing a calm and simple manual pumping routine, along with a few gentle tips to help the experience feel more comfortable and relaxing. This type of manual pump uses a soft silicone cup to create a secure seal, while the handle lets you control the rhythm and pressure at your own pace. One thing I enjoy about manual pumps is the flexibility. You can slow down, pause anytime, and adjust the flow based on what feels natural for your body. Before starting, get comfortable and take a few deep breaths to relax. Gently place the pump so everything feels secure and aligned. Once it's in place, begin pressing the handle slowly and evenly, keeping the movement smooth and gentle. Maintain a calm rhythm and let the pump do most of the work. Small positioning changes can improve comfort. When finished, carefully remove the pump and close the bottle securely. Thank you for spending this peaceful moment with me.